Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Jagyasini Datta and today I'm going to show you how to configure OSPF in a single area. So without wasting any time, let's just get started.
So now I'm going to show you how to configure OSPF in a single area. Here I have taken 4 routers, router 1, router 2, router 3 and router 4 and connected them with gigabit Ethernet. I have already kept the IP addresses assigned in each of its interfaces and along with the loopback address. According to the instructions, we have to configure OSPF in a single area. So firstly, it is asked to use OSPF area process ID as 1. And in router 1, we have to enable OSPF using the network command with exact IP match. So for this, we have to click on our router 1 and go to CLI. And type enable and then we'll see show IP interface brief. So here you can see that the gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0 IP address is 10.1.1.1 and the loopback address is 1.1.1.1. Now we are going to type show run. And the loopback IP address is 1.1.1.1 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.255 and the gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0 IP address is 10.1.1.1 with the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So now, firstly we have to do use OSPF process ID as 1. So we are going to type configure terminal router OSPF 1. Then we are asked to enable OSPF using the network command with exact IP match. So next command is going to be network 10.1.1.1 0.0.0.0 area 0. Next. And next command is going to be network 1.1.1.1 0.0.0.0 area 0. End. So now we are going to check show IP OSPF interface. See, it's showing. Internet address is 10.1.1.1/24 subnet mask and area is 0. And the router ID is 1.1.1.1 and the network type is broadcast. Next verification we are going to do is show IP protocols. See, it is giving routing for networks 10.1.1.1, 0.0.0.0 area 0 and 1.1.1.1, 0.0.0.0 area 0, and the gateway is 1.1.1.1 and the distance is 110. And the last thing we are going to verify is show IP route. Okay, so now next we are going to click on router 2 and see what is asked. It is asked to enable OSPF using the network command based on subnet mask. So on router 2 we are going to click and go to CLI, enable, and then type show IP interface brief. For gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0, the IP address is 10.1.1.1. 2. Gigabit Ethernet 0/0/1, it is 10.1.2.1 and loopback address is 2.2.2.2. So now we are going to type show run. So here we can see the loopback address is 2.2.2.2 with /32 subnet mask. Gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0, the IP address is 10.1.1.2 with /24 subnet mask, and interface Gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0/1, IP address is 10.1.2.1 with /24 subnet mask. So what are we asked to do here? We have been asked to enable OSPF using the network command based on the subnet mask. So like the previous one, we are going to do configure terminal, then type router OSPF ID1 network 2.2.2.2 0.0.0.0 area 0. For the next one, we are going to do, it is the 10.1.1.0 network ID and we will use the wildcard mask. So we are going to type network 10.1.1.0 0.0.0.255 area 0, and similarly the network ID is 10.1.2.0 with the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So we are going to use the wildcard mask. Network ID 10.1.2.0 0.0.0.255 area 0, and end. Now we are going to check show IP protocols. See, it is showing routing for networks are 2.2.2.2, which is the loopback interface, 10.1.1.0 area 0, 10.1.2.0 area 0, and the gateway is 1.1.1.1 with distance 110 and 2.2.2.2 with distance 110. Now we are going to see show IP route. So here it is, and next command we are going to see if it can ping the loopback address of router 1, 1.1.1.1. See, it is pinging. Okay, so now we have been asked, in router 3 we have been asked to enable OSPF using the interface command. So we are going to click on router 3, go to CLI and enter enable and type show IP interface brief. So the IP address assigned in Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 is 10.1.3.1. Gigabit Ethernet 0/1 is 10.1.2.2 and loopback address is 3.3.3.3. So here what we are going to do is, firstly we are going to type config terminal. Then we are going to write router OSPF1 interface G 0/0 IP OSPF1 area 0. Next is interface G 0/1 IP OSPF1 area 0. And lastly interface loopback 0 IP OSPF1 area 0 and end. And now we are going to check show IP OSPF interface. See, it is given internet address is 10.1.3.1 with a /24 subnet mask. Router ID is 3.3.3.3 and the network type is broadcast. We are going to check show IP protocols. See, the gateway is 1.1.1.1 with a distance of 110, 2.2.2 with a distance of 110, 3.3.3.3 with a distance of 110. Now we are going to check if it can ping 1.1.1.1. success rate is 100%. Now we are going to ping 2.2.2.2. Again, the success rate is 100%. So now we are going to do the last configuration. What is it said? In router 4 we have to enable OSPF on all interfaces with a single network command. So this is the easiest one. So we are going to click on router 4 and go to CLI and type enable config terminal router OSPF 1 network 0.0.0.0 255 dot 255 dot 255 dot 255 area 0 and end. Now we are going to see show IP route. Show IP OSPF interface. See, the internet address is 10.1.3.2/24 and the router ID is 4.4.4.4. So we are done with the configurations. Thank you so much.